Hello, welcome back to another. And the wheat is now ready. And I have to start off by feeding my cows because they don't have any food. I sped up the time so the wheat would get ready, and I need to give them like 3 loads of silage. But of course, it's too narrow to really U-turn here. I don't feel like I'm going. This might take a while. These cows look pretty good. Burn the ones in front of me, yes, they do. Yeah, I'm gonna finish feeding my cows and start putting wheat. And some Maple Street. Okay. This is how you do it. Get to then I'm gonna have like a I wonder if it's gonna confuse you. Very interesting. I could do it more now. This they need to make it come. And I can't wait till the new this guy. in. Okay, so I just finished a new studying. Just going to now I have to spin around with this stuff. And I might as well just go and load this at this point. After he gets carried. Yes. Why should I drink I had? Last time I used it was in the first YouTube video I ever made of American Family. And I sold it and got this one because this one holds exactly. It was too big and. But we're going gonna do? Don't know. Your speed up. And going to have the other way. Not sure. Okay. Should be going to almost done. Drink. But you live, you learn. And yes, we're starting entering the. Comment what you say. Do you say Endros or headless? He said in an update that you can do it. Why doesn't it respond? I'm steering. I'm gonna be like Millennium from Ringfield the back. I'm gonna end this episode here. Hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, please like and subscribe. Goodbye.